Plants in conflict zones offer a fascinating intersection of survival, resilience, and environmental science. Here are a few compelling topics ranging from tactical botany to ecological recovery. Tactical botany. Plants as living cover and obstacles. This topic explores how specific plant morphologies are used in guerrilla warfare and urban defense. The iron thorns. Focus on the use of bougainvillea or Euphorbia milli, crown of thorns, as biological security fences due to their dense, painful spines. Mangrove defense. How coastal ecosystems act as natural barriers against amphibious landings and storm surges during wartime. Camouflage biology. The science of using specific leaf shapes and seasonal color changes to hide military assets. Silent witnesses, dendrochronology in war zones. Trees act as living data storage units for conflict history. Metal incorporation. How trees absorb shrapnel and heavy metals from artillery, creating scar tissue in their rings. Growth stunting. Using tree rings to map historical periods of scorched earth tactics or chemical warfare, like Agent Orange, that halted local photosynthesis for years. The resurrection forests, investigating how certain species, like the ginkgo biloba in Hiroshima, survived extreme thermal radiation. Siege gardens and guerrilla agriculture. When supply lines are cut, botany becomes a tool for survival. Window box calories. The role of high-yield, low-maintenance plants, like potatoes or microgreens, in besieged cities. Wild edibles in conflict, identifying famine foods, native weeds and roots that provide essential vitamins when traditional farming is impossible. Seed banks as resistance. The story of the Icarda seed bank in Syria, where researchers risked their lives to evacuate ancient crop varieties to ensure post-war food security. Phytoremediation, healing the scars of war. This is a more technical look at how plants can be used to clean up a landscape once the fighting stops. Explosive-eating plants, using transgenic plants or specific grasses, like Panicum virgatum, to break down TNT and RDX residues in the soil. Hyperaccumulators. How sunflowers and Indian mustard are used to pull heavy metals, lead, mercury, and depleted uranium out of contaminated battlefields. Mycoremediation. Utilizing fungal networks to break down complex hydrocarbons from oil spills or destroyed chemical facilities. The Peace Park concept. Exploring how no man's lands often accidentally become thriving biodiversity hotspots. The DMZ effect. How the demilitarized zone between North and South Korea became an accidental sanctuary for endangered species like the red-crowned crane. Transboundary conservation. Using ecological corridors to foster diplomatic cooperation between conflicting nations. Would you like me to develop a detailed content outline or a script for one of these specific topics? Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share if you found it useful.